Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Xbox controller to Steam Deck Instant Fix step by step clearly. To connect your Xbox controller to the Steam Deck, start by turning on your Steam Deck. Ensure that your Xbox controller is powered on. For wireless connections, press and hold the sync button on your Xbox controller until the Xbox logo starts flashing. On your Steam Deck, navigate to the settings menu by selecting the gear icon. Scroll down and select the Bluetooth option. Turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already enabled. Look for your Xbox controller in the list of available devices. Once it appears, select your Xbox controller to initiate pairing. Wait for the Steam Deck to confirm that the controller has been connected. For wired connections, use a USB-C cable to connect your Xbox controller directly to the Steam Deck. Ensure the connection is secure and watch for any on-screen confirmation. Once connected, you may want to customize the button layout in the Steam input settings. Open the Steam application on your Steam Deck. Go to the library and find a game you want to play. Launch the game and check if the Xbox controller functions as intended. If needed, adjust the controller settings under the game's controller options. Now you are ready to enjoy gaming on your Steam Deck with your Xbox controller. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.